Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ally Auto account. Manage car payments online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or phone. Type ally.com in the address bar and press enter. On the Ally homepage, locate the sign in button near the top of the page. Click sign in to open the login options. Select auto from the account type choices if you see multiple categories. If you are using the mobile app, open the Ally mobile app instead of the website. On the login screen, click or tap the username field. Enter the username you created for your Ally account. Click or tap the password field. Enter your password carefully, watching for uppercase and lowercase letters. If available, use the show option to confirm your password is typed correctly. Click or tap sign in to access your account. If you are asked for a verification code, choose text message, phone call, or email. Enter the code you receive and submit it to complete verification. If your device asks to remember you, choose it only on a private personal device. After login, go to the auto dashboard or your loan overview page. Find your active auto loan and select it to open the loan details. Review your current balance, interest information, and next payment due date. Click or tap Make a payment to pay your car loan online. Choose the payment amount, such as the minimum due or a custom amount. Select the payment date and confirm it matches your schedule. Choose your funding source, like a linked bank account, and verify account details. If you have not added a bank account yet, select Add Account and enter routing and account numbers. Confirm the payment information on the review screen. Submit the payment and wait for the confirmation message or reference number. To set up recurring payments, look for auto pay or recurring payments and follow the prompts. If you forgot your login details, click Forgot Username or Forgot Password and complete the reset steps. For login errors, double-check spelling, turn off caps lock, and try again or contact Ally support if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.